Good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 9 from verse 14 to verse 32. Jesus run out demon out of one boy. When Jesus and him 3 followers them reach on the flat, them see one big crowd of people get up around the other follower them, and the law teacher them did argue with them. When the people see Jesus, them did shock, so them run go meet him same time. So him ask them say, when on them argue about? One man in the crowd answer say, teacher, me bring my boy picnic to you. We have one demon in him, we make him dumb. Anytime the demon take control of him, it make him fling down himself a ground. Him mouth frat up. Him grind him teeth and tiffen up himself. Me beg you follow them for run out the spirit, but they couldn't do it. Jesus said to them, say, uno people in at that time ya, uno no believe. How much longer me have to stand here we don't know? How much longer me have to put up we don't know? Carry the boy come to me. So them carry the boy to him. When the demon see Jesus, him make the boy start shake hard same time. Him drop a ground, start roll about, and him mouth start frat up. So Jesus asked the boy father, how long since him a suffer so? Him say, from him a little picnic sir, whole heap of time the demon fling him in a fire and in a water to kill him. But if you can't do nothing for him, take pity upon we and help we. Do. Jesus answered him say, if you can't do nothing for him, if you believe, anything can happen. Same time the boy father bawl out, me believe, help me to believe more. When Jesus sees one crowd of people start get up fast, him chat to the demon trang and tell him say, you spirit we make the boy can't talk or hear, me I tell you, come out of him and never go in him again. The spirit bawl out and shake the boy hard and come out of him. After him come out, the boy look like one dead man, and enough of the people them say, him dead. But Jesus take time, hold him on and help him up, and him turn up. After Jesus go in the house, him follower them ask him say, what make we couldn't run out the demon? Jesus answer them say, if uno no pray, uno can't run out them the kind of demon they. Jesus say, people are going to kill him. Jesus and him follower them left and passed through Galilee. Him never want nobody to know where them they, cause him did a teach him follower them. Him tell them say, somebody are going to sell out the man where God pick and give him over to people where hate him. Them are going to kill him. But 3 days after that, him are going to come back alive. But they never understand what him did mean. And them did afraid to ask him. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.